6G technology, the future of hyperconnected intelligence. 6G, sixth generation, technology represents the next evolutionary step in wireless communication, expected to succeed 5G around the year 2030. While 5G has enabled ultra-fast mobile broadband and low-latency applications, 6G aims to push the boundaries of speed, reliability, and intelligence even further. With anticipated speeds of up to 1 terabit per second, TBps, and latency reduced to microseconds, 6G will redefine how we interact with the digital world. At its core, 6G will integrate artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into the fabric of communication networks. These intelligent systems will allow networks to self-optimize, predict usage patterns, and dynamically allocate resources. This shift towards cognitive networks will make 6G not just faster, but also smarter and more responsive. One of the defining features of 6G will be its support for immersive technologies. Enhanced virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR, experiences will be made seamless and realistic through high-speed data transmission and ultra-low latency. Holographic communications, such as 3D holograms used in remote meetings, could become mainstream, offering lifelike interaction over long distances. 6G will also revolutionize Internet of Things, IoT deployments. With support for up to 10 million devices per square kilometer, it will power massive machine-type communications, MMTC, enabling the growth of smart cities, automated transportation, digital healthcare, and industrial automation at an unprecedented scale. Ultra-reliable low-latency communication, URLLC, will be crucial in critical applications like remote surgery, autonomous vehicles, and emergency response systems. Technologically, 6G is expected to operate in the terahertz, Thertz, frequency spectrum, 0.1 to 10 Thertz, which allows for extremely high data rates but also presents challenges in terms of range, signal penetration, and energy efficiency. To address these, 6G will leverage advanced antenna technologies, intelligent reflective surfaces, and quantum communication principles. Another important aspect of 6G will be sustainability and energy efficiency. As the number of connected devices increases, 6G will focus on optimizing energy consumption through AI-driven network management and the use of green technologies. Security and privacy will also receive significant enhancements in 6G. With quantum-safe encryption and AI-based threat detection, 6G aims to create a secure and resilient communication infrastructure that protects data and ensures user trust. Global collaboration is already underway, with countries like China, the United States, South Korea, Japan, and members of the European Union investing heavily in 6G research and development. Standardization efforts, spectrum allocation, and pilot testing are key milestones in the journey toward global 6G deployment. In summary, 6G will not merely be a faster version of 5G. It will be a transformative platform combining ultra-speed, intelligent automation, and extreme connectivity. It will power the next digital revolution, enabling innovations that were previously only imagined in science fiction. From truly smart environments to real-time holographic communication, 6G is set to change the world.